Hi, good afternoon. My name's Mitch. I'm a senior trainer with Absolute Results, and all our salespeople seem to be busy, so it looks like I'm going to have to do a walk around today on the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. I'm a former owner of a 2014 Limited, and wow, this 2019 is something else. So I'll do a short walk around, and hopefully you'll see why people want this vehicle. This particular one here is brand new for 2019. It has a 2-liter turbo. It pushes out 285 horsepower. It's even more than the 3.2 V6. Also, it has the capability of pulling 4,000 pounds, almost the weight of the car. Just an incredible engine on here. And there's what we're looking at. Nice and compact. As a customer, all you have to worry about what is painted yellow. The rest of it, Northland will look after for you on there. The styling is different. You'll notice how it comes down a little bit more sleek than the old ones. What does that mean to you? What is the benefit to you? A little better fuel mileage, a little bit less drag coefficient. So those are some changes on there. And on the North, they've got a little bit bigger wheel this year as well. And did you notice how the lights are? You can see that. Little change, a little bit more sleek, almost got a little bit more of a mean look to it on there. So it's just an incredible vehicle on there. So if we just take a quick walk around here and take a look, getting in and out of a Jeep Cherokee is easy as pie. Tons of leg room, so whether you're a long-legged guy or what, very easy to get in and out. Okay, you've got the adjustable steering wheel. Also, all brand new, we've got upgraded Bluetooth, better audio, great for your media on here. So tons of neat stuff on here as well. So take a quick walk around here. You'll notice too, on your roof racks, you can install, whether you put a Thule or whatever, to put all your extra things for camping on there. Of course, for me, golf clubs go in there. And here's another nice feature. Got to put groceries in the back. Both hands are full. Boom, boom, boom. Let's take a look right here. Look at this. Brand new this year. Just like its big brother, the Grand Cherokee, you've got easy access into the back. Tons of storage. Hide all your goodies as well if you're on a trip. Easy as pie to close it down again on there. And you'll take a look at those struts, heavy duty. So everything is big time on this vehicle. Also too, here's a unique situation. When's the last time you saw a 4-cylinder with dual exhaust like this one? So lots of room for that 285 horses to come pouring out of there. Also, this particular one has got the trailer towing package as well. And as I mentioned before, this will pull up to 4,000 pounds, almost the weight of the car. Best in class on there, so that's just great. So folks, if you're looking for a vehicle that is just stunning to look at, stunning to drive, fun to drive, with the 9-speed transmission, you found it. So come on up to Northland Dodge, where we have great deals here, and it's a fun place to deal with. And thank you, and once again, my name is Mitch. I'm with Absolute Results and representing the dealership. Thank you.